What is up, everybody? Spidey here, and as always, I hope you're having a marvelous day. We are going to get into a box of Fleer Ultra Midnight Suns. It's actually pretty close to 1 a.m. in the morning, and I just finished a live stream with a bunch of buddies. And I opened up a new case that I got from a local LCS, and the first three boxes that I opened were okay, not great. Comic cut, we pulled 2 golds out of 200. I'll show you those. There's a comic cut, and then we pulled the very nice Black Cat gold, and yeah, just a lovely card right there. In fact, we'll just set that beauty right back there. That's out of 200, but nothing major, like nothing huge. And I'm just feeling it. I wanted to go ahead and get this one open. Of course, I have to do it on camera. All right, this is actually just like the other box started out with, the Hellfire Club being in the very first pack. There's our green parallel, and our Hellfire is Victoria. That's number 13. Our base cards. In fact, we'll start base cards over here. Put our green parallel there. Get into the next pack. All right, I think this might be Tombstone, green parallel, and oh no, a comic clipping. Another one, Night Stalkers, and that looks like it might be Blade. That's 2 comic clippings in a row, and that is the Alpha. Night Stalkers from 1992, issue number 9. And it is Blade. Look at that. Flying ain't gonna save you, Morbius. Wow, that's surprising. Our other comic cut we hit was this one right here. This was from issue number, Spirit of Vengeance, issue number 2. Of course, we also pulled the first appearance of Ghost Rider here from Marvel Spotlight number 5, and this is the origin of Ghost Rider here. And yeah, incredible card that we pulled there. But yeah, let's keep going. So pull a comic cut. Wow, was not expecting that back to back. Okay, Lilith, incredible Colossus. Look at that. Green parallel, and our ultra abilities, Jennifer Kell. Don't have that one yet, and I am wanting to put together this set, so that's nice. And our base, look at that. Another Simone. Look at that Black Cat, guys. Is that a diamond skull? Cast back there. Look at the background. Just all of that detail. Good job, Simone. As always. Next pack. This one feels rather thick. No, it's just 6 cards. Nothing unusual about it. Just felt that way. Sometimes that happens. Man-Thing, green, color match, and our Medallion, Mephisto. Another Simone. Excellent card. All right, we have Cable, Moreland, Dormammu, and we have our 3x3. Very nice. I think I've already pulled that one. There's our Wolverine. All right, let's keep going. Can't believe how many comic cuts I have pulled already. Fascinating. Medallion. What do we have here? Clea Strange and Magic. Sweet. Love to pull some parallels of that. Storm. Domino. Blade, green parallel. Another great art. And what is this? This is a blue Nightmare. This one's numbered. Number 60 of 180. There you go. 60 of 180, blue parallel. I love these comic covers. They're so good. All right, 4 packs left. Jennifer Kell. Another small A. Green parallel. Hella. Look at that, guys. The Haunt of Horror. Very cool. Very cool. Robbie Reyes. Venom. Our green parallel here is Alejandra. Morbius. Spirit of Vengeance. And I saw this one earlier. Art's very interesting. All right, second to last pack. What will it be? Got our Black Panther, Frankie Drake, green parallel, and an Ultra Shade. I think I have that one already. Not an SP, that's card number 6. Okay, last pack. Topaz. Topaz. It's getting late. I'm getting sleepy. Thor. That is our box. We've got the Comic Cut Blade. Very nice. And it's the Alpha out of 50. And read our Medallions, our Ultra Shades, our blue 3x3, and Jennifer Kell. It's card number 6 of 30, so it's not short printed, but it's one I need. So, all right, thank you for watching. Do me a favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. But as always, I hope you have a marvelous day. Now for our giveaway. I've got some super exciting news for you. We're on the road to 10,000 subscribers. I can't believe it. But to make this journey even more thrilling, I'm launching a fantastic giveaway. That's right. Once we reach that incredible milestone of 10,000 subscribers, one lucky winner will receive an amazing PlayStation 5. So, how can you get in on this awesome opportunity? Well, it's easy. Just 3 simple steps. Number 1, you got to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Number 2, you have to Spidey hit, and I mean Spidey hit that like button. And number 3, drop a comment down below. Maybe tell me about your favorite Marvel card, or why you love collecting, or even a question about this video. The winner will be picked randomly and announced right here on the channel as soon as we reach our goal of 10,000 subscribers. So keep an eye out. It could be you. And remember, with every video from now until we hit our goal, we will have this giveaway reminder, so you won't miss out on any updates. This is Justin, aka Spidey, and as always, I hope you have a marvelous day.